我们现在呢就要去下一个地方了 ，Let's go！ 我们现在就到了这个脚踏车 Giant Bicycle Taupo， 就有一个很大的脚车，差不多3米高，然后重300 kg。Do not climb on structure。好大的脚车。它的脚车就是这样大，就这么大吧，差不多。他们说是3米高，然后重差不多300公斤，差点跌倒。它是在马路旁边嘛，只是专门来打卡罢了，拍个照打卡。好吧，现在我们就要去下一个地方了。我们现在就到了我姐朋友家，现在要跟她借住，家有狗啊，就是这间。来陶波，来骗吃骗吃。
My brother.
Hey.
Hey.
Nice to meet you. Shane.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Oh,
I'm clean and dry.
Yes.
That's good.
That's how you know we're here.
I saw he got up and he started walking. I thought, oh, okay.
Yeah, someone is here. Woo woo woo. Hello.
So this is the new one.
Yes.
What's his name again?
Fanta,
Fanta.
like the drink.
Ah, thank
You
you.
know,
Yeah.
he'll settle down and oh, what was that? Oh.
I was thinking that you want to go out.
It's cooking.
Oh, it's been a long time.
Yes. Yeah, yeah, it has. I've tried to come in a few times, but you know, lockdown, nothing
Yes.
happened. I was getting ready, and then my brother was down. My brother was down. I thought I might have told you, I didn't tell you. So we were looking after him, and so this dog.
She thought that you were going out. See, look at the
Yeah,
car.
because you know
going around the
dogs.
car.
Yeah, it's like there's the car. We're going somewhere. But if you want, we can go for a walk by the river.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you like to do
Yes.
that? And then he'll be happy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
It's
this is
excited.
a farm dog, you know.
Ah,
Yeah, he's a border collie, sheepdog, like an English sheepdog. Yeah. But yeah. So yeah. Do you mind having the same room?
Yeah, that's
Are you
right.
sure it's okay?
Yeah.
that's right.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Otherwise,
Yeah, that's okay.
yeah.
I don't want to bother you. That's
No,
fine.
no. It's because I've been away. I've only just come back myself.
Okay. Yeah.
And
Because last
you can come and have a
last
look.
time we were going to Rotorua, we spent like 2 nights in the backpack, and then
It's annoying, right?
I was like,
Oh, 4 of you. 4 of you in the room.
Six
of us.
6 of you. Oh, you're going to be...
And I had to climb to the bunk bed. That's the first time I'm in a bunk bed.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Hey, you know, when you're going to be really comfortable here, there's a really warm house.
That's good.
I'll put him in the car, and then
Are you sure?
and then he's happy.
狗叫 Fanta，然后超喜欢出去的，要去我们的房间了。
I won't be able to get him out. But you've done me a real favour because
I got the sandals and the cup.
Yeah.
If you want.
yeah, it's okay. Huh? Are they dry?
I think better take it off
Yeah, I better take it off. That's alright.
because we have a lot of work today.
Yes, we've been to Huka Falls and lots of people.
Good. You went to Huka Falls.
Yeah.
And so you've done me a favour because I've completely cleaned my house. It's very clean.
It's a warm
I
house.
know, this is my other dog. But you know, when I look at that photo now, Genevieve, I can see he's sick. When I took it, I couldn't see it. But when I look at photographs like a year before,
Yes.
I can see it's quite different. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. We have the Christmas tree up.
Oh, that was quick.
Yeah, there's a story about that. I'll tell you. But anyway, so I'll show you. So this is my house. I bought it. It was a very old lady, and there were walls everywhere. So you can see the beam. I take all the walls out.
Oh.
The house is still standing.
The house that we bought before. It's
Yeah.
always have the, like
A million
the
rooms.
wall in the middle somewhere. But when you look at all these kind of like more space.
Much more space. Now I'll just close it because we live in the country and we don't want mice.
Oh, there's a laundry.
It's tiny.
It's a clever idea.
Yeah.
So the bathroom, the floor was the colour of the piano.
Oh.
The toilet was pink.
Oh, pink.
The shower was metal and yellow plastic.
Oh.
Come and have a look at it now.
来参观他的家吧。
That's it now.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, this is long time.
Oh my god.
I know. I tell you, it was terrible. Yeah, it was crazy.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And I put like soundproof jib here and insulation in the walls, so between the bedroom and the bathroom is silent. Yeah. It's just I love doing stuff like that, you know. But
Yeah, really gorgeous. Really gorgeous.
yeah, it's really nice, isn't it? And when I painted it blue like this, I said to the guys I want it to look like the beach in winter. Because it's the colours of the sand and the sky. Yeah.
It's nice. Where did this come from?
Cool. So this is your room here.
Ooh. Nice.
Cool.
Oh.
Yeah, this way to take a photo.
What?
And the curtain, if you want, it's very private really, you know, but if you want, you have to take it down and pull it that way because I'm waiting for
sorry.
one of these, like this, you know, but if you want, you do it like that, you know. So there, yeah. And when you want to turn the light on, you just
Oh. This is.
and this electric blanket. These are brand new sheets. Nobody been in the sheets. So nice, and they're really lovely. And this heated blanket is just this here. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So
We have the sleeping bag. Last time we used.
did you bring a sleeping bag?
Yeah, we did.
You know, these sleeping bags.
You're at home. You're at home. If you go into a backpacker, yeah, I'll do the same. No. And also, Genevieve, this is for you.
Oh.
Okay. And that's for you. Okay.
All right, thanks.
So we've got that.
Lovely.
So you just use that if you want to walk around or go to the bathroom.
Oh my god.
Whatever you want. Whatever. And if you want to hang anything up, you got those there. Okay. So yeah. But I made all this. This was not like this. This was just one.
Yeah.
And then another one. Brown varnish. And this room was orange and blue. The whole house was peach or blue or orange.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Hey, this is really nice. Real nice.
Nice
Yeah,
light
yeah,
now.
light.
Yeah, oh god, yeah.
Why do you
Yeah.
have to do that color? That's weird.
I don't know. floor. Yeah, so when I came and I saw it, and I saw the size of this bedroom, I was like, that's good, that's good. And then the other bedroom, where I sleep, take it out. Bathroom was quite big, but the wardrobe was only like this, small. And there was a wall, and in the hallway there was the cupboard. So there was a cupboard. So the cupboard was here, open like that, and then one there.
And you made it
And
inside.
we put the space on this side, so we make double wardrobe. So both bedrooms are double, yeah, with storage. So it's just like that. It's winter, so I will be tidying my books. Yeah. So look.
Lovely.
So we go walkies. Yeah. We go walkies.
One second. I have my phone in my bag.
好，我们现在就要出去了 ，Let's go。
Garden.
再呢就是这个 Get Park， 然后带他的狗来遛狗，所以就来遛狗。
Believe the house is up here.
上面还有房子呢。
They've got an amazing view of the mountain.
上面竟然还有房子。我们现在就去遛狗先吧。Let's go。
Blackberry.
Blackberry。
Blackberries. Blackberry pie, very nice.
Ah, it's a free Blackberry.
Very expensive to buy in the shop. But you can come and pick. But it's very, 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 very sharp. Worse than roses. Worse than roses. Look at that.
Spiky.
Very raw.
这个竟然是黑莓，就是很多次，所以如果你要采的话，可以来采，不是很多次，太多次了。他的狗完全不知道跑去哪里，现在我们就自己走完了，他的狗也是自己走。我们今天来陶波跟他遛狗，天气好冷，天气也冷，手都硬了。 又遇到了新朋友啊，超多新朋友。
Moustache thing is always They always hold with moustache. Wash it when I get home and then we start again. A little bit cold.
他说呢，这条河是直接从陶波接去奥克兰的，然后这条河呢，专门是拿来发电的，然后应该是刚刚我们看的那个Huka附近吧，还有一个叫阿罗加加的 dam， 专门是拿来发电的，所以可能明天去看吧，就是这条河啦。小镇的生活呢，就是很安静，特别安静。现在才4点，下午4点了，可能也是因为天气特别冷，没有什么人来吧。这是房子吗？Is this a house? Oh, 一直这样。Yeah. 全部是玻璃，它的沙发全部在外面，透明的全部，蛮美的。每天醒来呢，就是看河，就外面就是这样。这应该是 Airbnb 吧，还有好铺，还有人坐直升机了。
No sun.
哇，这间更美味。哇，这个很大间呢，这个可能5、6个房间吧。Nice.
This is
That's one.
The black swan.
Mm.
First time I've seen one on the river.
It's a baby.
人越走越冷嘞。假期结果来走山，沿着河走。
You cannot see the ground normally, and you cannot see the rocks normally. You're asking me what that is? It's
Water retention.
sewage.
Oh,
Sewage. Yeah. Purifying. Yeah.
这些屋子都很漂亮。这些屋子应该是不便宜，都是河景。全部都好漂亮啊！这房子很大间，这个至少有5、6个房间吧，看起来。一整个是它一间嘛。现在我们就往回走了，这天气越来越冷了，所以要去下一个景点了。Let's go。又到了陶波湖了。
We can barbecue too. Oh yeah, barbecue and everything. So like I was saying, it's not deep. I'm so sorry that the weather is not nice.
That's alright.
I feel really sad about that.
because it's winter now.
And you can cycle all the way to where the boat. You know, I took you from the boat.
Yeah.
So you can cycle from the boat all the way around.
Oh,
For another 5 miles, 10 kilometers.
okay.
Yeah.
哇，他说可以从那个瓦，然后大脚车一直搭到这边来，就一直沿着路，差不多5公里到10公里吧。看一下现在几度，现在9度吧。越冷了。
It's really nice to swim in the lake, you know. It's very, very, yeah, it's warm.
Now?
Not now. Not now, but go back to the house, drop the dog off, and then go and get something to eat.
Yeah, sure.
Do that?
Yeah, we can do that. 所以现在要放他的狗回家，然后我们去吃晚餐啦。所以